like to convey a message to the European leaders and the European people. Catalonia, my country, is one of the oldest nations of Europe. Nowadays, it is a modern society composed of 7.5 million people, about 70% of them with a non-Catalan origin. As all the nations in the world, Catalonia has the right to decide its political future. This is exactly the message that broad majorities of the Catalan people send to the world every year since 2012 by organizing huge peaceful demonstrations in the streets of Barcelona and the rest of the country. Barcelona, our main town. 2 years ago, I called early elections. My purpose was to know how large the social majority in favor of the right of self-determination was. The turnout was the highest in 3 decades. The outcome was clear. More than 2/3 of the members of parliament were in favor of the right to decide our political future. As a consequence of all that, today I called a consultation on November 9 to know the opinion of the Catalan people above 16 about the question on self-determination. That question was agreed with the majority of the Catalan political forces in December last year. We stand for democracy, dialogue and peace. We believe that political issues must be resolved by negotiation and civilized attitudes. And we know that democracy is the most civilized way to resolve difficulties between nations. This is our will, and this is also our commitment.